One thing I always say is work smarter, not harder. If you aren't using the Solo app, then you may be working harder. So let's change that. Download the app, link your accounts where you can manage your income, track your expenses, and project your taxes. Not only that, but you can plan by optimizing your time, make more, and even guarantee your daily pay with guaranteed earnings. Download Solo and begin to work smarter, not harder today. Link is in the description. All right, let's get back to it.
So Uber is treating PhDs just like drivers these days. So what does Uber do? So if you guys look at the date of this article written by Alex Bitter of Business Insiders, November 4th. So Uber says Uber is offering AI gigs for PhDs as it becomes a platform for work. Dara said, Uber is more than a ride-hailing app, platform for work, CEO said. Last month, Uber said it would pilot digital tasks, a way for users to make money training AI. Koshashai said some of the roles are geared toward PhDs. Great. So a lot of PhDs applied. They even got headhunted and they got hired. But guess what? So remember the date? November 4th, 2025? Okay. Next one, November 26th, 22 days later. Uber headhunted PhDs to join Project Sandbox. After a month, it said their AI training contracts were over. So all these PhDs got deactivated, folks, because they're independent contractors. They were hired as independent contractors. So I was talking to Alex the other day. I said, oh, now they feel what drivers are feeling. They got deactivated. Uber told some AI contractors on Monday that their services are no longer needed. Uber had recruited the workers to train AI under Project Sandbox. By the way, folks, every project at Uber has a nickname. Do you guys know what the nickname is for Advantage versus Standard? I'll tell you guys what it is because I know. You know what it is, Mr. Gambit?
You got to tell me because I'm always weird that advantage. The minute you said advantage and disadvantage, I'm like, okay, that's what it should be because I don't
Advantage
understand
versus Standard. Do you know what it is, folks?
what is it?
It's Project Dora. Have you heard of the Dora the Explorer?
Dora the Explorer, right?
No, I'm not joking. It is from that Dora the Explorer. It's Project Dora, Advantage versus Standard. There you go. So what do you guys say about this? That the PhDs are getting deactivated by Uber now because they go like, yeah, after 22 days, we go, okay, we don't need you. We're going to dump all this to our drivers because we're going to put it in the app. They can make an extra buck for labeling AI
they did,
now.
Sergio. They took all the feedback, put it in the database, crunched it, and says, okay, thank you, folks. We've already enhanced the knowledge of it, and we don't need your brains anymore.
Yep, that's what they did. And then I told Alex, I go, well, welcome to the driver's world. That's what happens to us all the time. You know what I mean? That's what happens. That's what happens.
But,
what else and imagine here's a smart guy who basically got all that education, Sergio, and then somebody said you're not wanted.
Yeah, absolutely. So what do you say, Mohammed? The PhDs are getting deactivated by Uber now.
What else is new? You know, we have seen it for the last 10 years with Uber and Lyft.
Yeah. Well, I think this is not unusual in the driver world, and that's what we're doing. Yeah.
But Sergio, I'll tell you the key. The drivers that have been doing it like me and you know what's good for Uber is that they've kept quality drivers on that platform to enhance that company.
Yes.
Worldwide.
In fact, I have some wonderful articles coming up. Plug to our free newsletter on the Rideshare Guy. It's free. Okay. www.rideshareguy.com. I had 5 came up last month. I have 4 finishing December. Please go check them out. It's free. There's nothing to it. One of the articles talks about that, Mr. Gambit. One of the articles talks about you know, what you just mentioned.
We're the best ambassadors this company could ask for, Sergio. You know that. They know that. No matter what you say about them, they know you're one of the best ambassadors because no matter what, they're in the news no matter what.
Yeah, good, bad, sideways, they're in the news, buddy.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.